Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the keyboard supports RGB control on Android, either via Bluetooth or OTG if wired. Once done, enable OTG or pair Bluetooth and make sure your device runs Android 6.0 or higher, because older drivers won't work. Install the keyboard's companion app from the Play Store and grant storage and microphone permissions if asked, because some apps use audio or files for firmware updates. Now open the app and prepare to connect the keyboard. Proceed when the device shows it is ready to pair. You next pair and configure the keyboard. Use Bluetooth pairing in Android settings or plug in with a USB OTG adapter and allow the app to detect the device. Once connected, check for a firmware update inside the app, apply it, then reboot the keyboard to ensure new routines load. Now choose or create a profile, map layers if supported, and assign per key colors or presets. Save these changes to the keyboard memory so they persist across reconnections. Make sure the app confirms a successful write to the device. To finish, test the RGB behavior in normal use. Launch a game or music app to verify reactive effects and enable the companion app to auto-start if Android kills background services. If colors flicker or profiles won't stick, check cable integrity, OTG adapter orientation, and battery level for Bluetooth keyboards. Low power often causes disconnection. If syncing still fails, perform a factory lighting reset on the keyboard, reflash firmware, and reapply your profile. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.